Hi Justin. What do you want?
Hi Ivy. I want an orange.
Hi Justin. What do you want?
Hi Ivy. I want an orange.
What do you want?
I want corn.
What do you want?
I want corn.
What color is the fruit?
It is blue.
What color is the fruit?
It is blue.
What color is it?
It is white and green.
What color is it?
It is white and green.
What do you want?
I want peas and carrots.
What do you want?
I want peas and carrots.
What do you want?
I don't want vegetables.
What do you want?
I don't want vegetables.
What color is it?
It is green and yellow.
What color is it?
It is green and yellow.
What color is it?
It is pink.
What color is it?
It is pink. What do you want?
I want lettuce and cauliflower.
What do you want?
I want lettuce and cauliflower.
What do you want?
I don't want broccoli or onion.
What do you want?
I don't want broccoli or onion.